In 2017, my first child was born, and naturally, it had a great impact on my life, on my identity. It also affected how I worked. I was thinking a lot about a sound diet, how I could encourage a healthy balance between sign language and spoken language in the home. Right now, we live in a world that's very hearing-centric. The power dynamics between deaf and hearing people and sign and spoken languages are clearly set. I was concerned about how I was going to navigate this. I had a baby monitor that we had purchased. It had a camera that connected to another wireless device that you could set up in the baby's room. And I noticed that it would light up if the baby was crying. And if the baby was crying, you could click on one of the preloaded lullabies that would then play to lull the baby to sleep. But I didn't want to play something that I had no idea what it sounded like, nor did I care. So I didn't feel a connection to this. But it inspired me to create a piece. What I did is I asked 7 friends of mine who are artists, curators, and I described the sound that I wanted. Maybe low frequency. And some of these artist parent friends of mine didn't have time, and so they rushed to create the piece. But that is a commentary on what little time parents have. Once I received all the tracks, I tried to figure out how to assemble them. And I took inspiration from the baby monitor. Because if the device got disconnected from the monitor in the baby's room, it would go red. And once you were back in range, connected again, it would go purple. And so I wanted to use that color scheme and the idea of a pillbox for Monday through Sunday and start on the red end of the week into the purple end of the week. So now these are not actual lullabies that would help a baby sleep, but the concept is that I get to decide what is being played and I decide what is available to my baby to hear. And so it's about the control that I have as a mom, as a parent.